Hi, I'm Dr. Adam Fields. Let's work out your arms without weights. What a concept. So we're going to start and just warm up a little bit. The top hand's going to be facing forward, the palm is, and the palm is going to be facing back with the bottom hand, and we're just going to switch like this. So let's go ahead and warm on up, get a little rhythm in, get some lubrication in those shoulders. Let's do it. Maybe a little wide stance. Let's just do a little lateral flexion with it. Get the whole body working, moving, get the heart racing a little bit. We want that heart to be able to deliver some good oxygen to your muscles, some blood, some life-giving life force. Perfect. Let's work them, warm them up. Here we go. Let's have some fun. It's amazing. You can actually get a really good shoulder workout, an arm workout, without even lifting a weight. Let's do it together. Good. Let's go ahead and do some circles, palms up, and let's bring the fingers wide. Really stretch it out. You might even feel the nerves down your arm into your biceps. Good. Nice circles. Let's increase the size of those circles. Keep some breath in. If you can, breathe the whole time through your nose. The nose is meant for breathing. Let's breathe. Let's use it that way. Okay, let's go other direction. Good. Now we're going to pull the thumbs down and bring it back like this, and circles one way. Let's go ahead and do 10, 9, 8. Give a slight bend to those knees. 4, 3, 2, 1. Palms are back, thumbs are down, other direction. Let's go for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now we're going to get into something called a founder. We're going to just go feet are hip distance apart, or slightly pigeon-toed even. Stick the butt out like this and bring the hands back just like this. Good. We're going to do a lot of this during this exercise, so I want to get you dialed in with it. Keep the weight a little bit in the heels so that your glutes are engaged. We want those glutes engaged. The abs are engaged. Try and suck them in right below the belly button even. The shoulders are pulled down like you're putting them in your back pocket. Good. So we're going to do some circles here now. Just like this. Palms are down. You're doing some circles. Loving it. This is really helping your posture, helping your low back, and getting those posterior deltoids really dialed. Good. Let's go other direction. And go forward more if you can. Just get deep into this. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And then a W with your hands just like this, and bring it back and pinch it and down. Pinch, down. Good. Keep going. Let's do about 10 of these. 10. Great. Pinch it at the top. And 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And now bring it all the way to the top and just pulse it at the top. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Feel the burn. Good. Bring it on up. We're going to do anterior deltoids, palms facing back, chest is up, and we're going to lift. Just like this. Slight bend in the knees so those abs just engage a little bit more, but put the weight down into your heels and just feel yourself just rooted. Heart rate's getting up a little bit here. Here we go. Good. Maybe we can make a little cardio experience out of this. Straighten those arms all the way. Keep the palms facing back. My hope for you is this is safe yet effective. Safe yet you're getting stronger with every rep. I am strong. I'm getting stronger with every rep. I'm getting so strong. Here we go. Push it. Okay, now we're going to do the same thing and pinch it in the back. Raise it up and bring it forward. Pinch it in the front and pinch it in the back. Raise it up. Good. Pinch it in the front, pinch, and bring it back and raise it up. Good. Pinch it in the front, pinch it in the back, and raise it up. Let's go 3 more. Forward, back, lift. Forward, back, lift. Forward, back, lift. Here we go. Now we're going to go back into that founder. You can do it. Chest is up, coming back. Good. Now let's go ahead and try and almost, you won't be able to, try and touch your elbows together in the back and then come out at a 45-degree angle. Just like this. Pinch it, forward. Pinch. Here we go. Move it, forward. forward. Good. Pivot, give it a second when you pinch it too. Give it a second, pinch and forward, pinch, forward. Good. Good, I'm teaching my 4-year-old twins how to do the breaststroke, so we're gonna do it a little bit now. So we're gonna come forward a little bit more, prayer hands, coming forward all the way and pushing the water back. Good, coming forward with the prayer hands, push it back. Here we go. Breaststroke. Good, you're gonna feel that loading in your low back. Stick the butt out, engage the abs, don't forget about those guys. Good. And 5, and 4, and 3, and 2, and 1. Now we're gonna do a little butterfly. Here we go. All the way over. That's it. Big circles, pushing the water back and bring it forward, diving into that water, bring it back. Here we go. Good swim strokes. Perfect, come on up. Let's do some snow angels. Are you ready? Chest is up, palms facing forward, little bend in the knees and coming straight up. Good, keep the plane almost like your body is in between two panes of glass. You aren't bringing the hands too far forward or too far back. Your pinkies are coming down right to the seam and the side of your leg. Hitting the side of your leg, you'll feel it all come together when you do that. And then touching the index finger and the thumb on the way up, all the way at the top. Good, trying to keep those shoulders down away from your ears the entire time. Perfect, let's go for 5, 4, there you go. 3, 2, here we go. 1, we're gonna do that founder again, back into that position, and we're just gonna overhead press it and up. Palms are down towards the ground. Okay, now a little anterior deltoid. So the arms are straight out in front of you. Push them forward, and we're just gonna go up and down like this. There you go. You got it. Okay, let's bring it back for some triceps. So come back here and just pulse it, pulse it, pulse it, just like this. Palms facing down, chest is up, and pulse. Squeeze at the very top. Go into that end range motion. Push into the end range. Feel your triceps contract. Good, now palms up. And we're just gonna lift like this and just give it a little flick. But keep the triceps engaged the whole time. Chest is up. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Palms down again, but a little bit. 45 degrees out and straighten. Little bends, just little teeny bends. There you go. And now we're gonna go palms up again and just flick it on up, 45 degrees. Pull the shoulders down if you can. And coming up. Good, so let's go an overhead press, but we're gonna go out to the side, 45, and then straight up. So the chest is up, slight bend in the knees, elbows are by your side, and let's come straight out, and then 45, and overhead. Straight out, 45, overhead. Here we go. Overhead. Overhead. Good. Straight out, 45, overhead. Here we go. Straight out, 45, overhead. Straight out, 45, overhead. Ooh, getting a little burn. Say hello to your deltoids. Nice deltoids. Loving them deltoids. Get them ripped, get them shredded. Love them. Hey, let's go to the beach. Great. I love those deltoids. Let's take the shirt off. No problem. All right, here we go. Or just functional. Let's adjust someone. Let's give somebody a great hug. It's hug time. Good. And let's go little circles, just small little circles out to the side. And then let's go to the other direction. Keep that slight bend in the knees, those abs are engaged. The face has that countenance of strength and peace at the same time. Good, let's bring them out in front. Little circles out in front, the chest is up, the shoulders continue to be pulled down. You're doing fabulous, darling. Good job. Okay, let's go to the other side. Keep moving. Good, we're gonna do a little rotator cuff. So 90-degree angle, just like this. Elbows are tied to your side and pinch it, bring it back. You're externally rotating, internally rotating your humerus within its joint and pushing into the end range motion as your thumbs go back because your palms are up. Pinch it at the back, pinch it at the back. Great job. Great job. Pinch it, and 10, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, and 2, and 1. Let's do some prayer raises. So hands are just like this in a prayer, and you're just pushing them up hard. As you push the hands together, lift the arms. This is not just lifting it, this is pushing together and lifting. Oh yeah. You can do arms and not hurt your shoulders. Isn't that relieving? Good. Good. So now we're going to do a little shadow boxing, okay? We're going to start and we're going to go whatever our arms forward like this. Boom, like this. Come on now. Boxing a little bit. Give me a little Mayweather. Come on now. Bop, 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 bop. Come on. Good. You got it. Keep going. Little shadow box. Fanning your face. Good. Let's go other direction. Reverse. Shadow unbox. The unboxing event. And 10, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bend on over. Here we go. Founder again. We're going to do W, T, and Y. So we're going to go W like this. Arms bent. Pinch the shoulder blades together. You got it. We're on the home stretch here. Stick the butt out. Chest is up. Smile to yourself. Here we go. Now a T. Palms are forward. Thumbs are up. Here we go. Straight up. Arms are just directly out from your body. Don't come all the way to the center of your body. Come only to about 45 degrees. And 10, 9, keep going. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And here we go with the Y. Lean over more if you can. It's that last part of the range of motion that where it's all happening. 10, 9, straighten the arms. 4, 3, 2, 1. Good. Shake it out a little bit. Let's stretch it out. Stretch that posterior delt. Woo. Loving it. Breathe right through it. Let's stretch that thing out. Good job. You got a little work at it today. Let's go other side. Stretch it on out. Good job. Oh, that's good. Let's get the traps a little bit. 45-degree stretch. Grab your head, bring it to 45 degrees, and breathe a couple of times through that. Let's go other side. What are you going to do with those arms? You can do it now. This little tricep stretch. Bring the hand over your shoulder and then just push on that elbow and get the tricep stretched out. Couple breaths through there. Other side. I like this next stretch. We're going to stretch out the chest a little bit. Interlace your fingers behind your back. Put the palms together. Pinch the shoulder blades, straighten your arm, and just lift up and send those hands down the back of your body as the chest rises. Good job. Go from this video saying, I am strong, because you are strong and getting stronger every day. Thanks for being with me.